In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the TayMac Weatherproof in-use cover for an exterior plug. I'll have another video posted to show you how I installed the outlet box and the GFCI outlet. The first step is to back the receptacle screws out. These screws will go through the keyholes that are on the weatherproof cover. Once the screws are through the keyholes, make sure to slide it down and then tighten the screws. Be sure not to over tighten and crack the cover. I'll use a screwdriver to make the final adjustments. I'll add these extra screws just to make sure it's secure. Now I'm going to install the clear cover. I'm installing this horizontally, so the pin will go into the top hinge. So you'll remove this bottom tab when you're ready to run your electrical cords to the outlet. This will allow any electrical cords to run through the opening and still let you shut the weatherproof cover. I installed this exterior outlet so I can run power to a transformer that's going to power my exterior lighting, so be sure to watch out for those videos coming up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.